What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's another day at AA Comp's Cold headquarters. So I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this G80. You know, this customer has been coming for some aero products, but today he wants to step up and he wants to pretty much do his first performance mod. So the mod that we're going to be installing on this car today is going to be the full Armaspeed carbon fiber intakes plus the covers. And I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar why we keep going through Armaspeed. Reason 4 is because of their amazing products. But yeah, guys, enjoy this B-roll.
Alright, bro. You ready? There goes another beautiful G80 with an Armaspeed intake.
Sounds fucking good, man.
That sounds really good, actually, dude.